I've sorted some of Adam's bits out to use my hole saws on. So I'm going to do them with that size, so either go in a mount or as a fridge magnet. These are definitely going to have to go as fridge magnets. I don't have any mounts big enough to take them. And a little bit of sponge wear there again. Should fit one of them. And I'm going to drill various ones off there to go in these sort of mounts, either as key rings or pendants. And that's it. I've got plenty of mounts to go out. Right, I'll just cut the base of that out. Well, that was easy. Just a bit of cleaning up on that and it'd be right. Let's hope I can get this one central and not take too much of the ribbon off. Snap it out, just a little bit to clean up. Well, put a smaller drill bit in now and let's get on with these ones. A few of these to do. Might just snap some more plate off, make it easy to fit in my tray. Well, that's a few bits chipped off, so should fit in better. Well, got it. Very close to edge there, but it's all there. And a big chunk of light plate. Right, this one, the edge of it missing, I'm just going to cut most of it out and I'll have to infill whatever I use it for on there. Or even just slightly grind it and maybe put a magnet on back, I don't know yet. But I do like all these marked plates. They're nice to cut down. that's most of the way through, so I'll just snap that out of there later. I'll just caught the edge of that. It's a shame, I've been a bit further up, but I've got most of it in. And again, another one bit missing. I'll cut as much as I can out. Another quick one. Right, the spongeware. Pity there's not more on that. I'm going to centre on that one, even if there's going to be a little bit of space here which I can just infill with white resin on the mount. But get as much as I can of that centre bit out. Just change water for a bit cleaner water so I can see it better. Not too bad. Grinding and shaping. Right, so we've got this bit of spongeware. Try and get as much as I can out of that. Bit that was broken, but I've changed it for an even smaller one. Oh well, I got it a little bit off centre. Put it that way, or that way, not too bad. Possibly maybe make something out of that as well. And another bit of spongeware. It's got a little bit of a dirt in the glaze there, so I'll just try and cut all that flour out and maybe do something with the other little bits, but I don't know. I think I'll change this water first. Right, that's some cleaner water in. You might be able to see me cutting it now. Most of the flour in, that's good enough for me. Let's see what I can do with the edge of this willow plate. I do have the two pieces that go in there, but I'll make something else with them. So, see how many different rounds I can cut out of that. Well, I got 5 out of that bit of rim. Should make something nice with them.